Hey guys, today I'm going to give you 6 proven designs that you can use in your shop. These are just templates. You're going to put your own niches in these designs, but they are free for you to use. You use them through Canva Pro, and you can find a link in my description for that if you don't have Canva. Since you're going to be adding your own niches, you are not going to have the same designs as anyone else who watches this video and decides to use my template. Let's jump in. This first one is the sunset design, which is super popular. You can put nurse, teacher, whatever your niche is, put it at the bottom as a title with whatever font. This font made sense for Papa because it looks a bit distressed. And then you just put any kind of phrase or descriptors around, bending around the sunset, and any graphic in the middle that works with it. Locations, this whole bent text at the top of a graphic and then something straight at the bottom works really well. And it doesn't even have to be in the middle of a t-shirt. It can be a pocket tee. It can be on the back of the shirt. But you can go look up so many locations and make shirts like this and just scale it out. And you will find success there because it is so niche down. But you do need to make sure that the locations you're making shirts for are not trademarked. So make sure you're coming over here to the USPTO website and checking to make sure if they're trademarked or not. Here's another one. Just find a cool graphic to go in the middle. I love this font, Nor'Wester. If you're doing anything that's outdoorsy or like camping niche, this is a really nice font for that. Circular designs are huge. My best sellers in my Etsy shop are all circular designs for the most part. So don't sleep on that. Here, if you just type in mandala into the elements over here, that's how I got this. Put it in the middle and then you just put words around it depending on your niche. So let's say it's paraprofessional, put words around it that describe a paraprofessional, or if it's a nurse, do the same thing, or a Bible verse, whatever it is, but it's text bent around a circular element will sell. This next one, girls trip shirts or vacation shirts. If you haven't gotten into that niche, it's huge. Any kind of circular design with girls trip on it and then a location is very niched. Or if you want to do vacation shirts, right now it is November, so we're getting towards the end of designing for Christmas. But here is a template for you for ugly Christmas sweaters. They sell very well during Q4. So what I did for this one is I came over to Elements and I typed in Christmas sweater graphic, and I found this one. I'm gonna duplicate it and delete this. So this was the graphic, and I wanted to make it into a Christmas sweater. And it's not gonna look right if it's just like this. So what I did was I cropped it, I took out the Christmas trees, and then I moved the Christmas trees beneath it. And then that's what you get here. So you can use that one. You can even change the color of it if you would prefer to do green or whatever colors. And here is just a basic font, but if you do want to get the whole ugly Christmas sweater vibe, you could get this font from Fabrica. I will link it in the description. It's called Xmas Knitted. You may be able to find some free ones that have commercial use online, but I love this one. I use this one personally. So I'm gonna delete that, but we'll keep this. You don't have to have that font. You can have just a normal font, it will still sell. So here are your 6 templates that you can use. I want to give you guys a lot of options that you can build out. If you feel like you're stuck designing, I want to be here to help you with that. And your POD inspiration for today is little drops of water make a mighty ocean. Take action today.